Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. We've been discussing that. And you said there's some new legislation in New York State.
Yeah, I haven't, forgive me, I haven't read the legislation word for word myself, but I've read several articles about what it sums up to be. And it's basically that New York State has passed something along the lines of a no-bail statute. As I understand it, it will take effect January of 2020, but basically the sum and substance of it is if you're charged with what they characterize as a low-level, non-violent crime, the police, the prosecutors, the judge presiding over the particular case cannot, it's outside of their discretion to issue any bail, which means they cannot hold anybody. And again, I have not read the statute word for word myself, but many people who have, this description of how this works. Now, immediately when I read about this, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, it came to mind, well, what happens with victims of domestic violence? Because in that particular realm, the offenders of domestic violence are notorious repeat offenders. So you've got a criminal record as long as you're armed, okay? And now you show up at your quote-unquote, let's say, ex-girlfriend's house attempting to assault her, and the police charge you. They cannot bring you before the local magistrate, before the local judge, and have that judge hold you on cash bail. They can't do it. They have to issue what we call an appearance ticket and say, well, you show up to court next Thursday. If anybody's ever gotten an appearance ticket, similar to getting a speeding ticket. Here's your ticket. Show up to court on XYZ day. They can't hold them. I mean, and this is as I understand it. But this is a humongous, if my understanding is correct, this is a humongous setback for victims of domestic violence. So please, I encourage you to look it up and take alternative measures to make sure that you stay protected.
We'll continue this next time we get together. In the meantime, please, to find out more about Dennis and his firm, by all means, visit his website.
drvetranolaw.com.
Dennis, good to see you.
Good to see you.